IBIT stock analysis and price prediction in 1 minute video. Watch this short video till the end to see whether I'm buying or not. With iShares Bitcoin Trust stock, I was previously pretty bullish. You know, I was all about being bullish here. That was kind of it. Came down, then went up again, and now it's coming back down like 6%, which is interesting. Obviously there's still more 2 hours like from the day to see if this thing is going to close beneath or above the high here, but it doesn't really matter because I'm also still gonna most importantly use the idea of the higher time frame trend, which also still comes around from somewhere around here. So what I'm gonna do is just get rid of everything, mark out the highs, and most importantly wait for the rules. So if the price pulls down, gives me a double break, which the double break is not even going to be possible just because this is not moving that much, I'm going to use a second confirmation, so just the one break, you know, candle break. So I'm using my strategy that's previously given me thousands of wins. If you want to learn it for free course below. See you in the next one.